Okay? Okay?
Okay, pare, pa-check na mo ulit.
Okay, naka-live na tayo mga kaibigan.
Tama na yan. Pause ko
Panos ka na lang. Okay, let's play the game. First five for Colin De Hustler. Number 15, Napan. Wearing jersey number 2, Pick. Wearing jersey number 8, Carlo Gonzalez. Wearing jersey number 26, Evangelista. And wearing jersey 00, Gel Duto. And for Colindale Assassin, our defending champion. First five. Wearing jersey number 8, GR Nasser. And wearing jersey number 14, Niveras. Wearing jersey number 6, Paras. Wearing jersey number 24, Nick Clapham. Wearing jersey number 71, Rizbel. Let's play the game.
Pilipigin pa maganang sir. Diba?
Guys, ilang kayo? Ilang kayo? 9? Ilang kayo pare?
2, 4, 6, 8.
10.
Sampo.
O, walang sub dito. Pre, ilang kayo?
Walang sub.
10. O, walang
Sampo,
sub.
walang sub. Good game, first quarter, tuloy-tuloy lang. And second quarter, yeah?
Wala.
Okay, good luck to both teams.
Wala pong sub dahil 10 kayong dalawa, walang sub ng first and second quarter. Pero may timeout naman kayo, so mag-timeout na lang kayo. Okay, pag-umabala. Okay.
Brad.
Brother Ron, walang sub-sub. Ala, hanggang fourth quarter dyan.
Okay.
Okay, ready?
Ready na, mga refrigerator. Let's play the game.
Pre, yung
Colin De Hustler versus the defending champion, Colindale Assassin. Jump ball, nakuha ni Renz. Renz Terano, naghanap ng mapasahan, pass to number 14. Jump shot by 14, shot is good. 2 points for number 14 is good.
Hindi yan, wala yan. Doon siya, pre. Assassin.
Okay, Evangelista inbound pass to Gel Dutong 0-0 to Barry Marino. Barry to Gonzalez, naghanap ng kabasahan. Dribble ni Gonzalez. Ang gandang pasa ni Gonzalez. Nakukuha ng foul si Gel Dutong. Who's foul rep? Follow number 8. JR Desel, first personal foul on JR Desel, first team foul. Hatid ng Assassin. Abad to Gonzalez, dribble the ball. Gonzalez pumagitna. Gonzalez tumira wala. Rebound by the black jersey again. Ali Pick out of bounds. Ang tawag ni Kuya Danny. Ubi jump ball. 73 pass to number 14. Big luck to JR Nasser. Nasser to Niveras again. Shot is good for Niveras. What a shot for Niveras, number 14. Dito to Abad. Abad to Barry Maninaw. Nagkanan na mga Isi by Renz. Nakuha ulit ni Barry. Number 14. Out of bounds. Same ball tayo mga kaibigan.
Hindi naman ni ko rebound kita ng Estudiaro.
Hindi ko alam.
Oo, dito yung purple eh.
Barry. Ibang pass to Abad. Nasa labas si Abad. Bumuha si Abad. Umikot. Pinasa kay Dutong. Jen. Pass to Montales.
5 second shot lang.
5 second shot clock mga kaibigan. 3, 2, 1.
Okay lang.
Nakuha ni Montales again.
Dito ka pala dapat.
Montales to Abad.
Kasi shot lang.
To Barry. Shot block by Renz Verano. Ano yon? Kicking ball. Hatid ng Ubi Jam. Black ball.
Pre, palit kayo ni Charlton yung shot clock.
Oo nga, palit kayo mamaya, pre.
Mamaya, pag nag-time out.
Last 8 minutes for the first quarter. Number 2, pass to Barry. Dribble ni Barry. Umikot si Barry. Naghahanap ng mapasang pass to Montales. Umipat ng 3. Montales shot is good. Rebound again by the black jersey. Out of bounds. Ang ganda nun. Number 2, same ball tayo. Last touch by the Ubijan, last 14 seconds. 10 seconds, nakuha ni Miklat. Miklat to the cell. to Niveras number 14 to the set. Last 7 minutes and 30 seconds sa ng unang quarter. The set to Niveras, sumipat ng 3. Shot is no good. Rebound by Abad. Intercept by Niveras to the set. The set to Niveras. Renz Verano, sumipat ng 3, wala pa rin. Rebound by Miklat. Pass to number 18, last second shot clock. To Aaron, Bumwamba. Aaron, shot is good. Rebound by Abad. Pass to number 2. Number 2, to Abad, to Montales. What a shot for Montales. Shot for 2 for Gonzalez is good.
Oo, hasla lang po. Kaya matalas.
Renz Verano dribble the ball. Dribble. To the set. Last 14 second shot clock. To Miklat. Bumomba si Miklat. To Risbel. Last 7 second shot clock.
Yung foul.
Offensive foul. By number 14.
Second.
First personal foul number 14. Second team foul. Atin ng Purple Jam.
Ulit lagay mo dyan.
Dalay. Tingnan mo yung score pre ha.
Napitawan ng bola. Kinuha-kuha. Evangelista again. Intercept by Renz Verano. Verano! Nakakuha ng foul si Renz Verano. Foul on jersey number 26, Barry Manilo. 2 bonus free throw for number 6, Manas.
Buwa, akit Kevin ka rin. Oning kay malilito ko eh. Kaya remind nyo ko pa shot clock.
Let's see the first throw for Paras.
Beta na lang.
Paras first throw. Shot is no good. May isa pa yan, Paras. Let's see the second throw for Mr. Paras.
Half time na.
Tingnan pa tayo.
Shot is no good again. Rebound by number 2 to Jen.
Press one may rebound ha.
Sulak mo tayo yung rebound pre ha. Number 2, rebound niya ng slam.
Jen dutong through na alipig. Pumagit na. Naghanap ng pasaan to Manilo. Jump ball tayo, mga kaibigan. Araw.
Kuya Danny.
Same ball.
Sorry. Thank you.
Last 14 second shot clock. Abad. Arrow bounce, last touch by black ball. Purple ball. Last touch by black jersey. Last 5 minutes and 30 seconds atin ng unang quarter. Daser. Daser Lumindo. Daser. Jump shot is good. Good for 2 for Gian Daser. Is gone. 6-2 in favor of the Purple Yam. Pick. Number 2 dribble the ball. Naggaanap ng papasahan. Pass to Carlo Montales. Montales!
Koy.
1 point lead for the Purple Yam. Renz Verano.
Ay, yung makapal pre.
Naghanap ng papasahan. Pass to Niveras number 14 to Daser.
Koy ka ba kaya kin eh? Koy.
Daser. Last 5 seconds shot clock, ha?
Purple.
Ball ng itlog ng Purple Yam. Black ball.
Itlog. Pare, shot clock ha. Shot clock.
Ng itlog. 3 seconds violation natin ng Purple Yam. Number 2 dribble the ball to Montales. Montales to Alivic. Pick. Yan ay pick. Pass to Abad. Jump shot is good. Good for 2 for Mr. Abad.
Shout out si Mami Dayan, amo.
Oh, shout out dyan, Mami Dayan.
Asawa
Kung
niya ba?
love ka niya, love ka rin niya. Alright, Paras. To number 78. Number 78 to Miklat. Miklat. Nakakuha ng foul si Miklat. Who's correct? Foul on number 8, Montales. 2 bonus free throw for number 24, Miklat. Is for
Hindi.
Hindi, pag free throw.
Si Montales, Asler, foul.
Let's see the first throw for Miklat. Shot is no good.
Ilan na team foul pre? Hindi ah. Tatlong team foul na to, no? Yung Asler pre.
Doon
Tatlo
ako
na
sa
yan, di ba?
Sa
Two, sige.
purple ako eh.
Let's see the second throw for Miklat. Bonus throw for Miklat. Shot is no good again. In and out. Rebound by Abad. To Jel Dutton. Jel. Nag-aalam ng kapasahan. Pinasa kay Evangelista. To Mr. Abad. To Mr. Montales. Nakakuha na daw. Si Montales. Wala na. Basket count yun daw. Sabi ni Rap. Rap. Follow number 8 again. On Gian Deser. Not counted. Not counted dyan ha. Not counted.
Ilan ng team foul ni ano? Ilan team foul ng Asler? Pare. Team foul.
Montales. Dribble the ball. Montales to Evangelista. Ball Manilo to Montales. Long shot for Montales. Shot is good for Montales. Two. Miklat. Aaron. That is good for Mr. Miklat. Ang gandang nakikita yan is formanship by Mr. Miklat. So Jel Dutton, dribble the ball. Last 3 minutes. 10-second shot clock. 3 minutes. Still by Lisbon. Lisbon! Ay! Wala ka na Lisbon! Rebound by Dasel. Dasel bumumba. Last 10-second shot clock. Pinala kayo Esperano. Last 5 seconds. Shot is over again. Rebound by number 2 Big. Last 2 minutes and 55 seconds. Hatid na ang unang quarter. Ali Pick. Pinasa kay Barry Manilo. What a shot for Abad. This no good. Binigay kay Daser. Out of bounds. Hindi pa kayo ko. Kailangan ng sit up every day. Every day okay. Yatid na ang yakot dyan. Renz Verano. Dribble the ball. Renz Verano. O yan! Nakikiti na. Out of bounds. Backward violation. Ang sabi ni Kuya Dani. Purple yung ball. Ang gandang laban naman yan. Last 2 minutes and 5 seconds in first quarter. Shout out dyan sa mga mamis natin na nandito nanonood.
14 second shot clock.
Noted dyan. Ref. Pick to Barry Manilo. Evangelista dito mo na ball. Last 10 second shot clock. To Montales. Montales naghanap ng papasahan. Last 5 second shot clock. Long shot. 3 for Barry Evangelista. Score. 12-8, 4-point lead by the Caldera Asler. Number 14, supas to number 5. Daser to Maraz. Back to Liberas. Long shot. Brown out tayo. Rebound by number 2. Last 1 minute and 20 minutes. At 20 seconds. Intercept by Daser. To number 70. Shot is good for number 70. Ang dami naman fans yan, ng mga purple yan. Montales, nagmamadali si Montales. Dribble the ball. Last 59 seconds. Montales! Back to back for Montales. Shot for 2 is good.
Parehong court yata ni Montales yung ano?
Last 50. Renz Verano. Kumante. Side step. Brown out. Rebound again by Renz Verano. Verano to Miklat. Cross shot is good. Rebound by Montales. Last 33 seconds. Atid ng unang quarter. Evangelista. Tumapat nag-iisa. Pineke. Nablock na. Rebound by number 78. Small batter naman. Tumakbo si 78. Huyali 78. Bumaba. Lalo nangyari. Offensive foul. Atid ng number 78.
78, siniknik.
Warning for penalty. Foul on number 78, offensive foul. Warning for penalty, Purple Yam.
Okay, tama yung score, 14-10.
14-10. Ano yun yung ano? Sino 14? Kanini 14? Asler.
Asler.
Tama, Tessa. Oo.
Last 17 seconds yan, wala nang shot clock yan. Evangelista naghanap ng papasahan. To Montales. Montales to Abad, tumomba si Abad. Abad! Shot is good! Last 5 seconds tayo, mga kaibigan. Dasel, 4, 3, 2. Here the first ball there. Maganda naman yan, 6-point lead. By the Colander, as there is score. 16-10. 16-10 na tayo. Tama ba, coach? Tama. Tama daw.
Brad, 11 na lang yata rin eh. Hindi ako napunta kahapon eh. Na birthday ng anak ni Pato.
Ah.
Ay, hindi sa
Ulan.
Pre.
Okay. Back to the ballgame. Let's see the second quarter.
Hikaw, patanggal mo yung hikaw.
Hikaw daw, mga kaibigan. Walang hikaw po.
Number 11.
Number 11, hikaw. 11.
Mak.
Mac, hikaw, please. Remove it, please.
Technical agad yan.
Ah.
Ha? Tama to, tama.
Sinan.
Wala na yan. Back to zero.
Oo, 5 minutes sa pagsabi mo sa 5 minutes.
Okay na tayo. Let's play up. Let's play again.
Meron tayong automatic sa 5 minutes ha.
Tama, purple yan kasi jump ball kanina, rep. Jump ball kanina.
Meron tayong automatic
Lipat ko na,
5
Brad,
minutes.
ah.
Wow.
Oh, sige, automatic 5. Hindi lang ko na, may kaya.
Ayan na po, yung idol natin, third pass to Ren. To our killer smile. Wala, rebound by Ebarola. To number 11. Nagagawa ng bola, parang spaghetti. Ito ang bola. Hindi spaghetti yan, palabok lang. Lipat natin to.
16-10 na.
16-10, 6-point lead by the Hustler. Ito na po yung idol natin, Wembanyama, number 25 to Abad. To Fernandez. To Vergara, number 23. Shot is the good. Rebound by Abad. Ang lakas-lakas yan. Rebound by number 11. Pass to Ren. Ritualo. Shot is good for Ren Ritualo. Ng assassin. Tissue to Abad. To Jigs. Wembanyama. Naghahanap ng papasahan. To Abad. To Tissue. 10-second shot clock. Pumeke. Tinira wala. Rebound by the Killer Smile, number 46. Jericho dribble the ball. Naghahanap ng papasahan. Pass to Ebarela. Ebarela to Kirek.
Pwedeng bumalik si Kuya.
Last 9 seconds, 8 second shot clock. Tinira ng press wala. Rebound by 11. To Ebarola. Ebarola, pumeke. Ang ganda nun. Aluweti yan. Pero wala. Rebound by number 4. Jason Kidd. Nagdadala ng bola si Jason Kidd. To Wembanyama. Last 10 second shot clock. Wembanyama shot is very good. Rebound by Fernandez. Number 18 nabitawan ang bola. To number 44. Nabitawan ulit ang bola. Wala. Hindi nakuha ang bola. Okay lang yan. Meron pa susunod. Jigs. Wembanyama ng Hustler, activo the ball. Nagkahanap ng papasahan si Vergara. Last 14 second shot clock to Mr. Abad. To Jigs. Wembanyama. Brown out tayo. Rebound by Ebarola. The Killers na ito rin na Ritualo ng assassin. Ang layo-layo niyan, Ritualo! Okay, 1 point lead by the Hustler, 16-50. 1 point lead na lang tayo. To Vergara. Vergara, gumanti ng 3. Ang layo niyan. Rebound by number 11. Number 11 to Ritualo. The Killer Smile. Tinas man shot for 2 for our best player, Martinez. Change table na tayo, ha?
Time out daw.
17-16. 1 point lead by the Colindale Assassin. T-shirt to number 25. To the cell. Fernandez. Shot is double. Rebound again ng black jersey. Abad. Pumersa. Malayo. Simple tayo mga kaibigan.
Kuya, di ka balang kasket?
Symbol tayo. 1 second na yung shot clock. Wala.
One second.
Last 1 second shot clock. 1.4 shot clock. 1.4 shot clock. 24 seconds violation.
Time out daw.
Time out. Hasler is score 17-16 in favor of the Assassin. 1 point lead.
Pre, yung hustler nag-time out.
Time. Ay, pare. Time.
Hindi, time out lang.
May reset ka. Time out.
Okay. Kuya Dani, okay ka lang? Okay ka lang? Okay. Hintayin natin yung merenda natin, Kuya Dani.
Ayos lang.
Kung wala tayong merenda, pwede ka naman pabili. Okay, this program is brought to you by Hornets. Hornets. Meron tayong walker dito. Meron din tayong Rosette. Meron tayong Emperador. Ay, Coke pala yun. Walang Emperador muna. Pass muna. Maraming salamat, Coach Hansay. Compliments of our good coach, Coach George. Hebarola dribble the ball. Pass to Ritualo. Renren to the killer's man. Jump shot is no good. Nakuha ni number 11. 11 to Ritualo. Last 10 seconds shot clock to Hebarola. Nakakuha ng foul. Si Mr. Ritualo. Usparek, foul number 4. First personal foul on number 4. First team foul. Atik ng Hasler.
Foul, pwede nang pili. Foul.
Unang foul pa lang yan, pre.
Ritualo. Tumascarinas. Kay Gowinski. Yan ang idol natin. Gumagana ng Plymouth Reka. Tissue number 4. Is still by 11.
Great shake.
Follow number 11 pala. Nakakuha ng foul. Si number 4.
Foul on number 11, pare, ah.
To Abad. Wala. Rebound by Kirk Nowitzki. To number 11. 11 dribble na ball. To Killer's man. Nag-iisa. Nakakuha ng foul. Si Mr. Martinez. Foul on number 23, Jordan. Second team foul. First personal foul on number 23. 2 bonus free throw for Mr. Martinez. A score 2016. 4-point lead by the Assassin. Let's see the first throw for Mr. Martinez. Shot is good.
Si Ragnet, no? Dapat pagawa din.
Let's see the second throw for Mr. Martinez. Second throw for Mr. Martinez. Shot is good again. Lumalayo na po tayo. 6-point lead by the Purple Yam.
5 minutes, Brad, ah.
Yeah.
Pag may naka-agad.
Vergara, naghahanap ng patasahan. Dribble na lang ni Vergara, walang mahanap. To number 4. Intercept by number 11. Number 11 nakuha. Small but terrible tayo, number 11. Pinahilot. Wala siya po, number 11. The Purple Yam, Barcena. Warning, number 46 for delaying the game.
Pag nag-dead ball.
It's okay.
Pag nag-dead ball pa.
Wow.
Fernandez to Mr. Abad to Mbanyama. Shot is good. Automatic substitution tayo mga kaibigan. Substitution. Abad out, pick in. Okay. Game na tayo mga kaibigan. Ritualo ng Assassin dribble the ball to Mr. Ebarola. Ebarola bumomba. Nakuha ni number 11 to Kate Nowitzki. Kate Nowitzki wala. Rebound by Mr. Vergara. Mr. Vergara. Outside tayo mga kaibigan. Purple Yam ball. Anong score natin? 24-18 in favor of the Purple Yam. Ren Retualo to Kurt Nowitzki. Kick to Ebarola. Shot is good. Rebound by the Killer Smile. Martinez dribble the ball. Nag-ano na bro? Uli niya lang. Number 11. Pinarikot. Wala. Rebound by Olympic ng Asler. Last 4 minutes tayo mga kaibigan. Last 4 minutes. T-shirt dribble the ball.
8 seconds.
Head level tayo.
8 seconds.
Hustler ball.
Ali, head ka no. Above the head siya eh.
Ali, 8 seconds violation.
8 seconds violation yun eh.
Ito kita shot clock po, 15 na yun.
Pag-timing shot ka.
Mascarillas. Mascarillas tumira. Shot is good for Mr. Mascarillas. Last 3 minutes and 30 seconds. Hatid ng Cornick. Mr. Fernandez, still by Ren Retualo. Nagmadali. Si Barcena. Tatlo. Lapit na dalawa. Bravo. Rebound by Martinez. To Retualo. Block by Mr. Fernandez. Nakuha ni James. To Jason Kidd. Jason Kidd. Naghanap na mabasahan si Jason Kidd. Anong nangyari? Nakakuha ng foul si Jason Kidd. Foul number 2. Kapamilya mo.
Ilang foul na si Ren Retualo?
One personal foul for Ren Retualo. Pick to Fernandez. Fernandez to Vergara. Nag-iisa si Tisho. Si Tisho sinipat ang 3. Wala pa rin. Rebound by the Killer's Wild. Killer's back to Retualo. Retualo nag-iisa. Good for 2 for Mr. Retualo. Out of bounds. Same ball tayo. 10-point lead. Oh, ilan na?
8 no?
8-point lead by the Assassin. Tisho dribble the ball. Tisho to Mr. Wembanyama. To Vic. Pumika si Vic. Nakakuha ng foul to Mr. Vic. Who's foul round? Foul on number 46, Mr. Martinez. 2 bonus points for Mr. Vic.
Ilan na si Martinez pare? Foul. Ilang foul na?
First personal foul on Mr. Martinez. First round for Mr. Vic. Shot is good. Let's see the bonus. Second round for Mr. Vic. Shot is no good. Red. Retualo nagdadala ng bola to Mr. Barcena. Nakuha niya yung pangalan. Easy shot for number 1. Emarola. Last 1 minute and 50 seconds.
2 points.
Vergara to Mr. Wembanyama. Sumipat ng malayo. Hindi pa rin. Rebound to Barcena. Nag-iisa na naman to Mr. Barcena. Pinasa kay Nowitzki. Shot is good for Mr. Kirk Nowitzki. Last 1 minute and 25 seconds for our second quarter. Binigay kay Vergara. Vergara dribble the ball. Vergara to Mr. Fernandez. Napakalayo yan. Wala. Rebound by Barcena. Barcena to Mr. Martinez. The Killers were naghahanap ng pagkusahan. Napitawan ng bola. Naghahanap pa rin. Intercept by Wembanyama. Oy! Intercept again by Mr. Retualo. Last 55 seconds. Last 15 seconds shot clock. Last 10 seconds shot clock. Intercept by Olympic number 2. Last 44 seconds. Minadali to Mr. Tisho. Shot almost good for Mr. number 4. Last 33 seconds for our second quarter, mga kaibigan. Martinez, wala pa rin. Wala na tayong shot clock, ha? Last 19 seconds na lang tayo. 19 seconds, no more shot clock to give. Mr. Wembanyama dribble the ball to Mr. Vic. Last 15 seconds. Intercept by Barcena. Ang gandang pasa lang kay Ebarola. Wala ang layup. Last 7 seconds. Last 5 seconds. last 1 seconds. Kaibigan, final score 30-21. O lahat ng tatawagan ko, please pumunta sa committee ha. Meron kayong medalya. Isusumitin ng ating commissioner. May I call on Mr. Kita ko anong bari.
Match ball ha, match ball. Okay, tara, pag-picture tayo para lang. Tara.
Okay, our first honor for today. First honor, Mr. Rolly Niveras. Where is Mr. Rolly? Rolly, number 14. Rolly Niveras, number 14. First honor. First honor. Okay, our second honor for today, Mr. Ren, the cousin. Ren. Mr. Recualo, ito na pala. Second honor. Okay, our third honor for today, Mr. Aaron Miclac, third honor. Mr. Mac and Mac for short. Where's Mac? Where are you, Mac? Ay! Mac, sabete! Ay, sino yung Mac? Si McDonald's. Hindi si Mac. Okay. Gini. With honors na lang ang tatawagin ko, ha? Mr. J.R. Dacer. Mr. J.R. Dacer. Ito po yung nakaupo sa tabi ng basura. Pagkinin na niyo ako. Thank you.
Next, Roman de Verona. Roman. O tapos si Pitbull. Wala si Pitbull. Oh. Kirk. Davao action. Okay, Nick. Oh, rest muna. Rest. Oh, Nick. Nick, di ba rin pelito pa eh, sorry. Oh, Derek. Team captain, Derek. Mayago. Oh, next naman, dito naman sa kabila. Isang pabilisan lang, pare. Oh, isang pabilis. Sige ka muna. Bochoy, linya. Bochoy.
Stephen.
Oh, pila na kayo. Stephen. Ay, mamaya. Sino next? Barry, dito na. Ay, Stephen. Sige, sama mo yung mata. O, Paten. Barry. Jigs. Thank you very much. Oh. Team Captain Carlo. Oh. Pare, hai.
Kaya na, ang tao ngayon, pang pinag-vlog ko yan.
Okay, Jen. And Brian. Thank you very much sa lahat. Okay, game time!
Brad, ikaw pa mag-announce, sir.
Sige.
Ako muna.
Para tinitigyan mo na lang yung shot clock, no?
Oh, sige, sige. Sige.
Hindi, ako na.
Magpasto ko rin yan.
Para mag...
Libutan kang konti.
Okay!
Tapos, tayo number.
Start of the third quarter. Pwede na tayo mag-sub dito ha, kahit sino na. Pwede na tayo mag-sub yun.
Nalipat na? Net. Nalipat na? Hindi pa.
Hindi pa po.
Hindi pa. So, sa kanilang bola.
Dito.
Mag-change goal sila.
Change court yan, di ba?
21-30 pa rin.
Huwag mo na
In
lilipat,
favor
Brad.
of Assassin.
Pero ano nito?
Assassin's ball.
Ano lang?
Shout out para sa mga nanonood natin, mga mommies. Palakpakan naman natin. Thank you for the support.
Parang dyan, oh.
And thank you, Mami Dayan, sa turon. Last week, ang sarap ng turon. Kahit di ko natikman.
Wala na, pre. Kahit ano na.
Wala na. Third quarter na.
Wala na, third quarter na yan. Kahit ano na.
Wala nang ano dito ha, kahit ano na.
Aray.
Okay.
32 daw yung score. Score daw yun.
Nick, dribbling the ball. Naghahanap ng mapapasahan. Nick, dumiretso pinasa kay Aaron. Aaron, binabantay ni Brian. Brian, body to Aaron. Wala. Rebound by Ernie. Pass to Carlo. Si Carlo ngayon. Home court yata ni Carlo to ah. Tingnan nga natin kung home court niya. Carlo! Grabe yung laro ni Carlo kaya. Nick ngayon. Pinasa kay Rolly. Rolly, puno ng dress. Rolly! Bonchoy, hindi nakapasok si Bonchoy kanina, umiyak yung anak niya. Ano kayang gagawin niya ngayon? Pinasa kay Barry Manilow. Na-steal ni Nick! Pinasa kay Rolly. Pinasa kay Renz. 2 points for Renz. Naka-game pace na itong Renz Paras na to ha, Porkentina Dragons. Okay, Barry ngayon. Pinasa kay Bonchoy. Bonchoy tumira. Na-block. It's double dribbling the doubling. Score is 24-37, 30-point lead. Pinasa kay Rolly. Rolly ngayon, pinapatay ni Bray. Pasa kay J.R. Cacer. J.R. Cacer. Pinapakwa. Hoy. It's okay, Nick. Bayaran mo na lang mamaya. Yung mga krosan. Okay. Pass to Carlo. Carlo ngayon. Dinobatin na. Pinasa kay Ernie. Ernie to Barry. Barry. This is driven by Barry. Step back. Pasa kay Bonchoy. Wala. Na-rebound ni Ernie. Shot clock is at 8 seconds. Barry. Pasa kay Ernie. Tumira ng 3. Ernie. Wala. Oy, what a nice pass. Pero hindi nasabo ni Barry Manilow. Ipasa mo muna, Aaron. Huwag kang maniresyon. Nick ngayon. Pinasa kay JR. JR. Level sa dos. JR, wala. Sinay pa, uy. What a nice save. Uy, what? Jump ball. Oh, doon. Assassin, hindi. Ano, Hustler. Hustler ball, Hustler. Bonchoy ngayon.
Pre, pwede na mag-sub dyan, ha?
Ernie! Tumira ng dress! Ernie! Wala pa si Ernie! Hindi pa makapalakpak yung asawa niya, oh! Kain kasi ng kain eh! Nick! Ay, foul! Who's foul, eh? 119. Ernie pre, oh, yun pala. Foul pa rin asawa mo. Foul by Ernie.
Ilang foul na si Ernie?
Two free throws for Nick. Wrist ball. Wrist ball. First free throw. Wrist ball. Ay, 5 minutes time out. Okay. Wrist ball. Second free throw. Pasok na pasok. Bochoy ngayon. Oy, 15-point lead yan ha. 15-point lead. Pwede pa. Tinauhan na si Carlo. Tinasa kay Brian. Brian to Ernie. Ernie Pinege. Hoy! Foul by Aaron.
How many fouls, Aaron? Ilang foul, Aaron? Koy.
Isa pa lang.
Oh, isang foul by Aaron. First team foul. First free throw for Ernie. Wala pa rin. Di pa makapalakpak. Okay. Oh, tahimik muna daw. Second free throw for Ernie. Ernie, second free throw. Okay, last free throw for Ernie. Ernie, tumira, pasok! Woohoo! Grabe naman pala yung chili na yun, no? Rolling ngayon. Rolling. Libre. Pinasa kay Aaron. Aaron, sumalaksak sa ilalim. Wala, mintes. Rebound by Ernie. Pinasa kay Bochoy. Nangunguna na si Barry Manilow. Barry. Wala. Balik daw. Oy. Foul number 6. Renz Paras. Huwag ka na magreklamo. Pinwit yan. Dinala mo sa puti. Brian ngayon, 40 seconds sa clock ngayon. Pinasa kay Bochoy. Pinali kay Brian. Uy! Wala. Rolly, pinasa kay Nick. Nick ngayon. Kay Renz, 12 seconds shot clock. 10 seconds shot clock. Nick, bumeki ng 3. Nick, easy 2 points for Nick. 25-41. Carlo ngayon. Binabantay ni JR. Uy! Napakagandang depensa naman ni JR Dasel.
Ayan, time out daw.
Nauna dito. Pwede ba yung time out yan? 5 minutes na rin.
Carlo, pinasa kay Bochoy si Brian. Wala. Brian, isa pa. Wala na naman. Okay lang yan. Terence na yun. Tumatakbo. Terence na naman. Pinasa kay Nick. Pinasa kay JR. Wait muna daw. Hintay muna. 10 seconds shot clock. 8 seconds. Nick, 5 seconds shot clock. Oy, still Barry ngayon. 3-on-1. Oy, crossover. Oy, pinasa kay Brian. Steal by JR. To Aaron, to Rolly. Wala lang. Kasaswin. Napakaganda lang ang laban. 18 points na yung tambak.
Koy! May tubig yata ako doon sa paper bag, Koy.
Hindi po yung
Ate, baso? Hindi, tingkong kako yan. Kaya ang paper bag yata. Wow.
Alam mo pinagbaso.
Yan pa rin.
Next 5. Uy, nagtalitan na naman ng kaluluwa. Kahit sino nang pumasok sa inyo, okay lang. Kahit mag-sub kayo. Kahit mag-sub kayo, okay lang yan. Sa inyo yung bola. Patent, number 23. Pinasa kay Bochoy. Bochoy ngayon, nagsisend ng play. Pinabantayan ni Makmak. Makmak, binibidyo ng tanay niya. Pinasa kay Carlo. Carlo ngayon. Carlo, pinasa kay Paten. Paten, pumukul ng Andres. Paten! Grabe si Paten. 1 year hindi naglaro yan. Ren ngayon, pinasa kay Jeric. Jeric, Captain Jeric. Captain Jeric! Wala. Rebound by Bochoy. Oy, foul by Makmak.
How many personal foul?
Makmak Cardona, 2 personal foul. Second team foul. Assassin. Pinasa kay Paten. Paten ngayon. Paten. Humahanap ng papasahan. Nagsisend ng play. Paten. Binabantayan ni Ren. Ren. Binigyan ng pick. Bochoy. 7 seconds shot clock. Bochoy. Alahoy. Wala. Na-rebound ni Ren. Oy. Ren. Pinasa kay Kurt. Davao hot shot. Davao hot shot. Pinasa kay Roman. Wala. Rebound by Mike. O na-rebound na naman ni Bochoy. Pasa daw kay Carlo. Carlo ngayon. Carlo. Uy. Wala. It's good. It's good. Let's steal the Kurt. Kurt ngayon. 3-on-1. Kurt. Rebound ni Roman. Kay Kurt na naman. Ay, wala na naman. Ay. Nalito na si Kurt. Maraming gagawin. Bochoy ngayon. Bochoy. Bochoy. Pinabantay ni Kurt. Dinobul team naman. Oy. Nastilan ni Ren. Foul. Sub. Montales out for Jigs.
Okay, last 1 minute and 50 seconds. For our third and quarter. Second to the last quarter. Next game, next session, Berbers. Kalawin. Catching up. Number 11. Nakapuha ng foul ang number 11. Who's foul rep? Foul on number 7. Apusumo. Jessica So. 2 bonus free throw for number 11. Let's see the first throw for Marcela. Bonus throw for Marcela. Is good. Proud na proud. Si Police Captain. Let's see the second throw for Mr. Marcela. Bonus throw for Mr. Marcela. Shot is good again. Take 2 ang Banyama ng Asler. Supaten Vergara. Tumira ng napakalalo. Rebound by the Mr. Killer Smile. Suren Tualo. Nagdadala ng bola. Ren. Ang kanyang pasa yan. Again and again. Shot is good for Mr. Marcela. Na, yung bata. Yung bata po, please. Yung bata, please. Nakakuha ng foul. Sino? Foul on number 2.
Number 2.
Ren Tualo. Last 1 minute and 20 seconds.
Pila na yung kay team foul?
Dalawa si Renz.
Second personal foul for Ren Tualo.
13.
Pila na ano? 13. So 13 foul net.
13 foul for the Purple Yam.
Team foul.
Shot na.
Dutong nakakuha ng foul. Foul on number 46.
Dalawa.
2 bonus free throw for Jel Dutong. Second personal foul
warning.
for Martinez. Warning for penalty. Uber Purple Yam. First foul. First shot for Jel is good. Let's see the second ball throw for Mr. Dutong. Second ball for Mr. Dutong. Shot is no good. Rebound by Martinez. Martinez rebound the ball. Martinez. Nagana ng papasahan. Tuya Maola. Umikot si Maola. Shot is good for Mr. Maola. Last 40 seconds.
29-49 na.
Shot clock, Brad. Magalan yung shot clock.
Mr. Big. Big to Kaina. Kaina. Intercept by the Lewinsky. Nag-iisa. Tuano ng assassin.
Shot clock.
Last 30 seconds. No more shot clock to give. Jigs. Pass to Mr. Vergara. Last 15 seconds. Big shot is good. Last 10 seconds tayo. Wait for the buzzer. Last 8 seconds. 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. And of third quarter. Final score, 21 lead. By the Purple Lion, 51-31. Next game, next session versus the Hawks.
Papalaban yan.
Ba't kayo may shot lang?
Wow, iyak ka kami yung reset. Makakabulyo kayo yung guy. Reset siya.
Malito ko.
Okay. Next game, Hachelogs versus the Sessionista. Back to the ball game now, kaibigan, for our last and final quarter for Assassin versus Hazard 21 lead by the Purple Lions. Ref, ikot mo, Ref. Doon ang bola. Left. 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 Purple yang ball. Purple yang. Nakakataka mga kulit ang jersey ng assassin, no? Parang hinalo-halo. Evarola nagdadala ng bola. Evarola to Lewinsky. Easy shot for Dirk Lewinsky. What a shot for Dirk Lewinsky. Montales ito na. Bumalik na si Mr. Montales. The Infinity. Long shot for Mr. Montales is good. Rebound by Red Serrano. Tumista na sa naiwan ng bola. Pinagagawan. Pinagagawan ng Spaghetti.
Backing.
Backing. Backward violation.
So, ilalawin mo yung player of the game.
Hatid ng Asler.
Player of the game ko niya.
Okay na, get ready na. Sessionista versus Atlanta Hawks. Last game tayo mga kaibigan. Evarola to Ren Verano. Verano, last 5 seconds at clock. Kick Lewinsky. Wala. Rebound by the Abad of the Asler to Mr. Dutong. Mr. Dutong, nag-iisa. 2-4, Mr. Dutong.
JR the set. Dribbling the ball. Pass to Renz. Pinasa kay Kurt. Pinasa na naman kay Renz. Renz. Tumira ng dress. Wala. Nice box out by Patel. Pinasa kay Carlo ngayon. Carlo Montales. Pinasa kay Brian. Pinasa kay Jel. Umalaki na tira. A foul on number 8. Foul on number 8. Shout out to Ate Juliana.
Sino naka-dos sa... Sino naka-dos?
Hindi ko alam.
Third na siya.
Si ano? Hindi, si Jel Lutong. Yung kanina, yung huli.
Yung 6, 28.
Hindi, yung huli kanina. Si Jel Lutong.
Dito?
Hindi, yan. Siya pa rin.
Sabaw ah.
Pinasa kay Renz. Tumira ng Renz paran. Carlo ngayon. Diretso si Carlo. Wala. Pinasa kay Romuald. Pasa kay Renz. 2 points. Seryoso si Renz paran. Pate, dribbling the ball. Binibigyan ng pick ni Brian. Paten. Pinasa kay Mike. Pinasa kay Carlo. 2 points.
Sab sa dead ball.
Steal by Jel. Jel ngayon, tumatakbo. Jel. Pinasa kay Carlo. Pinasa kay Mike. Na-steal ni Renz. Renz ngayon. For 2. Timeout. Hustler. 25-point lead by the Assassin. Be ready for the next game. Call it a next session versus Hatch and ay, magbilis ka, pre. Pre, Bento, nakit ka lang. Palita mo na siya, no? Magbilis na siya. Squatter.
Hindi. Iyan na lang namin. Siya yung ano eh.
Kanina
Hoy,
ba?
post mo. 1 minute bago mo yun.
Pag-post ko muna ako.
Oo, muna yung 1 minute. Sorry, hindi namin na ano yung time. Hindi namin i-start yung time kagad. Sorry na ano sa timeout. For 40 seconds. Okay. Bali ngayon. Pinasa kay Paten. Tumira ng dress. Paten, wala. Rebound ni Mike. 14 seconds shot clock. Pinasa kay Jel. Hey, foul by Nick. Wrist ball. Wrist play. Foul number 78. 78. How many team fouls? Jel. Pinasa kay, oy, na-steal ni Jel Alcazar! Jel Alcazar! All alone! Wala. Rebound by Nick. Wala. Rebound by JR. Wala. Rebound by JR. Meron. JR Alcazar. 2 points. Yan, starting time. Sorry guys. Technical error. Mike Pick ngayon. Mike Pick. Pinasa kay Brian. Pinasa kay Barry. Barry to Paten. Barry. Kumat si Barry. Oy, muntik nang iusog yung court. Jeric ngayon. Diretso ng boss. Jeric. 2 points. Paten. Pumeke. Paten. Wala. Rebound by Macmac. Pinasa kay Jeric. Tumira ng boss. Jeric. Wala. Oh, sorry daw. Paten ngayon. Wala. 18 seconds shot clock. Pinasa kay Barry. Tumira ng tres. Wala. Macmac for the rebound. Rebound by Macmac. Away. 2 points for Macmac. Sulit yung pagpunta ng ina niya. Shout out po ate. Thank you sa support. Mike. 2 points for Mike.
Sinanay niya.
Ayun. Si Macmac ngayon. Macmac. Pinasa kay JR. Pinasa kay Kurt. Tumira ng tres. Kurt wala. Rebound by Macmac. Wala. Rebound by Mike. Dalawa daw sila. 3-on-1. Pasa kay Brian. 2 points. 2 points. Hindi nanood yung asawa. Sayang. Jeric. 2 points. Grabe talaga ka-shooter itong Jeric. Ako. Pinasa kay Jel. Oy! What a block! Foul. Foul number 46, Martinez.
Tatlo na daw.
Third personal foul on you. And third team foul. First free throw for Jel. It's good, substitution. Jakes in. Pattern out. Okay. Second free throw for Gel. Gel D. Wala. Rebound by Kirk. Pinasa kay Nick. Nick. Pinasa kay JR. JR may spin. Lumabas na. Sayang ang spin. Nahilo pati ang kalaban. Okay, 2 points by Mike. Kirk. O, bawasan daw. Pinasa kay Nick. Nick ngayon. Pinasa kay Kirk. 16 seconds shot clock. Uy, inis sila ng pasangka. Shot clock. 8 seconds. Oh, still by Brian. Brian ngayon. Tumuloy-tuloy, Brian. And 1. May kasama bang foul?
Warning for graduation.
Warning for graduation. JR Desser.
14 team foul.
Dapat na daw team foul.
14 foul. Warning for penalty. 24-point lead. Brian, extra free throw. Wala. Rebound by Jerick. Jerick ngayon. Still by Barry. Napasa kay Jel. Jel. Wala. Rebound by Brian. Brian. Wala na naman. Rebound ni Jerick. Jerick ngayon. Jerick. Pinasa kay Nick. Nick. Oh, sinasama by Nick. Hey, still by Barry. Purple ball. 14 seconds shot lang ha. 14 seconds.
Okay.
Sorry, Sam. Sino sasabi niya? Ernie for Brian. Stephen for... Oy, sabihin niyo sasabi niyo for Jel. Pag magsasabi niyo, sabihin niyo. Sam, Carlo for Barry. Sam. Sorry. Oy, sabihin niyo kung sino sasabi niyo. Rex o JR. Ay, number 8. Oh, ikaw. Roman, sino sasabi mo?
Kahit sino daw.
Oh, walang kahit sino. Mamaya na lang. Okay, sorry Rep. Hindi sila nagsasalita eh.
Sabdang kaya na si Paras.
Labas mo ulit.
Jerick ngayon. Jerick. Wala. Rebound by Ernie. 13 seconds shot clock. Jerick. Tumira sa free throw. Wala. Rebound by Ernie. Pinasa kay Jakes. Jakes ngayon. 3 on 2. Jakes. Nabitawan ng bola. Oy, na-steal ni Renz.
Traveling.
Traveling without the passport. Substitution. Number 11 out for Romuald. Technical foul. Renz Paras. Technical foul. One shot plus one shot.
Technical kasama sa team foul. Ay sa foul niya. Personal, hindi.
Ay, hindi ba? Hindi.
Hindi
One free throw for James. Wala.
Kaya may walit ang...
Jerick ngayon. Jerick, dribbling the ball. Pasok kay Kirk. Pinasa kay Renz. Renz, tumira ng 3. Renz, wala. Rebound na naman by Ernie. Pinasa kay Mike.
Excuse me.
Sa mga gustong bumili ng chincharap. Chincharap na napakasarap. Jerick ngayon. Jerick, dribbling the ball. Pinasa kay Kirk. Kirk, tumira ng 3. Kirk, wala. Rebound by Mike. Naging rebound ng mga ito Mike ngayon. Tumira diretso. Pinasa kay Carlo. Carlo, tumira ng 3. Carlo, wala. Rebound by Renz.
Pwede kukunin ko yan sa kasi yung...
Renz ngayon.
Putang na, lalakas nga nila ano eh.
Pinasa kay Jerick. Jerick, wala. Rebound na naman ni Ernie. Pinasa kay Stephen. Stephen. Pinasa kay Carlo. Carlo, wala. All along for Jerick. 2 points. Last Ernie ngayon, pinasa kay Stephen. Stephen, tulira ng tres. Stephen, for
Pwede ba yung kuya sa?
Sige, pwede.
Dead ball, pag dead ball.
Pag dead ball.
wrong one ngayon. Foul.
Yan, substitution.
Substitution. JR in, Ren in,
Paulo number 4, guys.
foul on number 4. Okay.
Wala naman sila.
Pasok na yung papasok. Huwag na kayong pasok ng pasok.
Sino na, ano?
Wrong one, first free throw, wala.
Alright.
Number 1, 1 point.
Ngayon pala mag-live.
Walang shoot.
1 point, 1 point.
Second free throw, wala. Rebound by Mike. Mike, pinasa kay Ernie. Ernie, pasa kay, binalik kay Mike. Pinasa sa asawa. Mike kayo, Mike. Mike. 2 points, 2 points. Ren ngayon, Ren. Dribbling the ball. Pinasa kay Renz. Ren, pinasa kay Renz. Nadagdagan lang ng isang S. Pinasa kay Ebarola. Ebarola. Nag-crossover. What a nice crossover. Pero wala. Rebound by Ernie na naman. Still ni Ren. Pinasa kay Kurt. Kurt. Wala. Rebound by Mike na naman. Oy, what a nice dribble. Pinapatay ni JR. Last 1 minute. Last 1 minute. Pinasa kay Ernie. Ernie. Pinasa kay Stephen. Stephen. Wala. Mintis na naman. JR deserve for rebound. JR. Whoa! Wala. 2 points. 40 seconds. 40 seconds. Stephen. 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 Wala. Rebound na naman ni JR.
Ha?
To Jigs. Ay, nabitawan ni Jigs. Jigs, 2 points. Jigs, 2 points. To Ebarola. Ebarola, 2 points.
Pengen ang papel, maglinis ako ng player. Last 15.
Nandyan pre, nandyan.
12 seconds.
Nandyan pre.
3 points.
Bangalista.
3 points, Ernie.
Number 15.
15 daw, best player.
Wala, next time.
Mascareñas.